Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I got a 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid touring model I'm going to go over with you. Couldn't wait to get this thing out because it is not going to be here long. Stay tuned. All right guys, here you have it. 2024 Honda Accord Hybrid Touring. Good look at that aggressive front end, completely new redesigned style for 2023. This is a 2024 model. Got these real nice 19-inch alloy machine finish wheels there. Love the look of those. Body colored door handles. All your safety features. Give you a good look at the window sticker here. It's got a combined fuel economy of 44 miles a gallon, 46 city, 41 highway. Here's your MSRP. This is in the Canyon River blue color. Parking sensors on the front and rear. And I love those 19s on there. They look great. All right, guys, now that when we get inside the vehicle, we get this started up here so you can see what's going on. I'll show you where everything's at and what everything does. Got a 12.3-inch Google Assistant screen now. So they changed the layout of how you access all like the vehicle settings and everything like that. So cool. It is like an interactive view of the vehicle. So this is where you can change all your and customize all your personal settings and everything. Just a super cool look to it. Then you got your power flow over there because it's a hybrid. Heads-up display, which I love. And those of you that don't know, I have a 2018 touring model. So this is really a vehicle that I'm super interested in. But nothing's changed on the steering wheel here. Everything's going to be pretty much the same. You got your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, to go back and forth between adaptive cruise control and standard cruise. You just press and hold that button there. Then you got your voice activated for Siri or your Google Assistant, whatever phone you have, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your heated and cooled seats here, so cooled and heated right here. And then you got your 15-watt wireless charger down here. Electronic parking brake, different drive modes. Now, dual climate control, which that's almost standard anymore. Got your auto dimming rear view mirror. Got your sunroof inside. Plenty of room up here. Love the new grille. Your new design here on your, I guess your driver and passenger grille. 2-position memory seating, all your safety features, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation, braking. I'm going to show you in the back seat. Plenty of room in the back. On your door panel here in the rear, this is where your heated seat's going to be for your passengers. You got 2 USB-C charging ports back here, plenty of leg room. Just a great looking car. I think they did a heck of a job this year. Especially on that touring. I love those wheels. They remind me of the CRV wheels from the EX and above on the previous generation of the CRV. Love these little LEDs, these little silver chrome touches here. Real nice lines on the vehicle. Anyways, I'm going to show you the trunk space here. Tons of room back here. Got a 60-40 split. You just basically pull these handles here on both sides, and then you can pull it down. Full LED lights. All right, well, I'm going to end this video here, but if you guys have any questions, you give me a call, 319-800-1333. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, share with anybody that might be in the market. Thanks, guys.